This is a bigger shift than it looks, and most people are still reading it too literally. Canva just launched what sounds like another AI feature update. That is the surface. The real story is that Canva is trying to turn software from a place you work inside into a machine that gives you the finished result. In a CHOSUNBIZ interview published today, Canva framed AI 2.0 as more than a design assistant. The pitch is not "here are some new AI buttons." The pitch is, tell Canva what you want in plain language, and it helps carry the work from first idea to editable draft to revised final output. Canva's own product chief said the company is shifting from a design platform with AI tools to an AI platform with design tools. That sentence matters because old software was built around menus, panels, and human-operated steps. New software is being rebuilt around intent. You describe the outcome, and the system handles more of the path. For years, most AI products only helped at the beginning: brainstorm, summarize, mock up, maybe spit out a rough draft. Then the humans still had to suffer through the ugly middle: edits, revisions, formatting, consistency, approvals. That middle is where real work lives. Canva is trying to own that middle. If it works, the value is no longer just making something pretty. The value is collapsing the distance between idea and finished asset. And that changes what good software looks like. The winning product may not be the one with the most features. It may be the one that removes the most decisions. That puts pressure on every creative tool that still makes users do all the driving. If a conversation gets you most of the way to a campaign asset, presentation, or social post, then traditional interfaces start to look like exposed plumbing. Useful plumbing, sure. But still plumbing. It also changes the labor stack. The premium moves away from mechanical production and toward taste, judgment, brand sense, and final direction. Fewer people win just by pushing pixels. More people win by knowing what should exist and what is worth shipping. So my verdict is simple: this is not really a design story. It is a software story. Canva is betting that the future belongs to outcome engines, not toolboxes. The interface is becoming negotiable. The result is becoming the product. And once users get used to that, they will have very little patience for software that still makes them do every step by hand.